So I'm going to share with you how you can learn trading for free, and I'm going to give you 7 ways you can do that. The first way you can learn trading for free is, nowadays there are course websites, okay? For example, like SKILLSHARE, Udemy, but like free forex trading courses, free stock trading courses, and some other free trading courses. You can go and check it out. And I think Udemy, at the end of it, it gives you a certificate, so you can like print it out and show your relatives. You see, I'm doing something with my life. Then the second way you can learn trading for free is you can go onto online universities. They have a special name for it. They call it MOOC, Massive Online Open Online Courses. I was studying in university in Singapore, okay? Our lecturers told us, you know what, if our lessons is not enough, which we can't even finish, if it's not enough, you can go to MOOC to learn. And one of the platforms that I used to study, I think I did, back in university is Coursera. And there are also other many different websites nowadays. The good thing is you can attend online lessons provided by, you know, the big shot universities like Yale, Princeton, Columbia, and then you can flex. I've attended Yale University online. But there's a downside to attending MOOCs. Sometimes it can get too theoretical. So the third way you can learn trading for free is, if you are lucky, you will have a friend who is a stock investor, who is a stock trader, forex trader, crypto trader, and they are good at it, okay? But they are not like a trading guru. I have friends like that. They trade aside from their business, they trade aside from their job. And please don't just take things from your friend. You know what I'm saying? If you send this kind of message to your friend, to a guru, to a mentor, and be like, can I have coffee with you to learn from you? You give the impression that you just want to take things from people. You know what I'm saying? Like if you know networking and how it works, how to build business relationships, you know that a proper, successful business relationship has to be a two-way benefit, okay? So every single time before you approach somebody that you want to learn from, you need to think about what value can I offer him or her. And the fourth way you can learn trading for free is you can go to your local library. So if you don't even have money to get a library membership, then you gotta put in a little bit more time to go to the library more often so that you can sit there and read. Okay, make sure you take your notebook there and then write things down. And right now it's in Singapore Library. If you wanna borrow it and you don't wanna buy it, you just wanna borrow it and check it out because you don't wanna see my face on your bookshelf, then you can just borrow it, and once you are done reading it, then you can return it. And the good thing about going to a library to read, you become more productive. You know, sometimes when you borrow a book and then you put it at home, all the distractions, then you end up not reading the book. So it's not entirely bad that you don't have a library membership. So the fifth way you can learn trading for free, you probably already know this since you're watching this, which is YouTube and online articles. Now for Forex, you can check out websites like babypips.com, dailyfx. I think they have a very structured, like beginner, intermediate, then expert. From what I know, Baby Pips, they have like kindergarten level, primary school level, secondary school level, which is pretty cute. And YouTube, just be careful, you know, be careful, because I've seen gurus who verbally admit, at least they admit it, okay, that they learn everything from reading online articles and watching YouTube videos. And I'm like, you know, me and my friends, we went through, not all my friends, but some of my friends who are speakers, who teach trading, we went through a finance degree in university, then we spent so much money on books, courses, then we also lose money in the real markets to learn from it. So it's like we paid for our education rather than like learn everything online for free. Sometimes I feel it's unfair that we are teaching at the same platform, but you know, that's life. But why do I say YouTube is a platform that you can consider? Because there are people emailing me every month. Karen, because of your YouTube videos, I became a profitable trader. I bought a car for myself. I bought meals for my family. I gave my family a better life. But of course, I don't want to paint a pretty picture for you and tell you that all my followers make money, because of course there are people who watch my content and then lose money. And it's the same analogy if you compare it to school. In every class, there are people who get straight A's, and there are also a group of people who get straight F's. But they all have the same teacher. So do you think it's the teacher's problem? So the next way you can learn trading for free is this one. I wouldn't say it's super recommended because it's just not detailed enough, okay? Gaming apps. You know, in your Android Play Store, Apple, I'm not sure how you download stuff. You type in forex trading, there are certain apps that let you learn how to trade. Like there are quizzes that you can play around with, and then there are like virtual markets that you can like buy, sell. And then when you lose money, they are going to tell you like why did you lose money and what could you have done better. I've tried those apps. I don't really like learning that way, but it's just another option that you can consider, okay? Next way you can learn trading for free is attending trading networking events, webinars, workshops. There are a lot of virtual events, virtual trading summits nowadays. I've seen too many. You can go and join those. And the good thing about all these summits is that you can learn from many different speakers. So these summits are just like conferences. When you attend this kind of conferences, you will have all these different ideas that you bring home, and then you'll be like so excited. And these trading summits are good if you don't know who to pick as a mentor. You know, because there are so many trading gurus, experts out there. It's a buffet. What do I pick? And if you get a chance to attend a live trading conference, you get to meet other traders. You know, those sitting beside you. You get to meet the people who understand where you're coming from, who don't judge you because you're a trader. And you get to go around all these different booths and then talk to brokers, like talk to traders, investors. Like nothing beats getting your hands dirty. Most important is to practice in a demo account for at least 6 months. Okay, 6 months. If you're not willing to do it for 6 months, then why does it make sense for you to work for a boss for 16 years, 26 years, 36 years? Even when you have become successful, okay? You still need to practice in a demo account. Why is that? Because you gotta test out new strategies. You gotta back test. You gotta use it to practice. I'll put the playlist for my free trading courses down in the description below. If you can share with me what's your favorite way to learn trading, also let me know. Okay, so with that, I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.